Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Deep. EO on mobile, only way. Install the official Deep. EO PWA in your mobile browser, enable desktop site only if needed, and use a Bluetooth or on-screen controller for steady aiming while you practice basic movement and shooting drills in low-stakes free-for-all matches to learn upgrades and bullet mechanics. Focus on positioning, dodge, and upgrade path choices, and reset controllers if latency spikes. Then start by opening your mobile browser and navigating to Deep. EO, then add to home screen for quick access and smooth PWA performance. Configure touch controls in settings or pair a Bluetooth controller for precise aiming. Lower graphics for less lag, lock orientation, and enable haptics if helpful. Learn to strafe, tap to fire, and hold for auto-fire modes in certain builds while keeping map awareness and safe farming spots regularly. Prioritize stat points based on your chosen class. Invest in bullet speed and damage for glass builds or health and movement for tanks. Farm polygons safely until level 15 before rotating to hotspots, and avoid engaging multiple enemies without backup or escape paths. Watch reload timing carefully, count bullets, and adapt to enemy builds by switching roles when needed, focusing on team objectives in MDM and preserving high scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.